Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a website that makes custom leather phone cases. The best part is you get 100% Napa leather, you get a lightweight and portable design, and the designs have hand painted edges, and it fits on all phones up to 7.5 centimeter wide and 15 centimeter in height. You can also add optional card slots, and the best part, it gets delivered worldwide. I will be linking the website in the description below. So first, let us all design a custom leather phone case together. I'm inside the website and the page shows something like this. You can take a look at their gallery and see there are some really cool designs, but I'm going to design something which I feel is unique and also gives a certain message. So as you can see, there is the start design. We click here. Alright, so on the left hand side you can see that there is a strap type. If you want webbing, you can put webbing. I prefer leather. Let me click leather. Card holder, of course, card holder. Material choice, bubble Napa leather or smooth Napa leather. I prefer smooth. Hardware color, I prefer gunmetal. Stitch color, I would go with charcoal thread. The stitches which is visible, it looks really good. Packaging options, if you want it to come in a card box or in a cloth bag, you can do that, but I won't need any packaging options. So now let's go into the design. So click design. Alright, so now it's time to upload the image. I have my image absolutely ready. Click continue. Hit on remove background if necessary. The Magic AI does a great job. Apply to product. And now you need to adjust it inside the printable dimensions. So in this corner, I'm going to reduce the size a little bit. A bit more. I'm going to move it a bit on the top hand side, and we are good to go. And now if you want to add text, you can add text. Put it below. You can change your text. I like the keep calm one. Alright, so you can also change the color. You can add effects. Let's add border and see. You can also add pattern, but because I have put an image with text, so I'm not going to add pattern here. So far so good. And now let's preview. Just to let you guys know that this is the front side and back side cannot be designed. So just preview and add to basket. So let's take a look at the preview. As you can see, the case looks simply amazing. Beautiful design. Very beautiful design. See? So if you are someone who wants to put a meaningful message, an artwork or a photo, you can bring it to life. You can also gift it to someone, or you can use it for personal use. So let me know if this video helped. Don't forget to hit the like button, and once again, link to the website with a discount code is there in the description below. So don't forget to check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.